Every business out there is chasing growth. It's the name of the game. But what's that one thing that always seems to slow things down? Yeah, it's that constant grind, all those small manual tasks that just suck the life out of your team. Well, today we're going to look at a company that's all about turning that friction into flow. Say hello to Cyber Pirate Labs. Their mission? It's actually really simple, but it's incredibly powerful. They build automation and AI systems that are designed to hunt down and completely eliminate the bottlenecks that are holding your business back. And look, we're not just talking about plugging in some new software. We're talking about making those frustrating problems literally disappear. Okay, let's be real for a minute. Let's talk about the daily grind. You know exactly what I mean. That constant, low-level hum of manual work that's always in the background. Well, it's quietly eating away at your two most important resources, your team's valuable time and, of course, your company's money. Does this sound familiar? You've got your best people, your absolute top talent, and they're stuck for hours every single day copying data, pasting it somewhere else, trying to get two different systems to talk to each other. They're basically just trying to keep their heads above water. It's a super common story, but here's the thing. It does not have to be your story. And just look at how these pain points stack up. It's like a domino effect, right? Manual data entry, well, that's just begging for errors. Those repetitive tasks, they absolutely crush creativity and morale. And disconnected systems, that just creates constant grinding friction. No matter how you slice it, the end result is always the same. You're bleeding time and money on problems that are, believe it or not, completely solvable. But this is where the story takes a turn. This is where Cyber Pirate Labs comes in. And they're not just another tech vendor trying to sell you something. You should really think of them as your dedicated automation partner. One of their core principles is being platform agnostic. So what does that actually mean? It means they aren't tied to one specific piece of software they have to sell you. Nope. Their only goal is to find the absolute best tool to solve your specific problem and deliver a real, tangible outcome. This quote, it just says it all. Clients don't hire us to use tools. They hire us to make problems disappear. See the difference? You're not just buying a subscription or a license. You're investing in a solution that makes a frustrating, expensive problem go away for good. So you might be wondering, okay, how do they do it? Well, it's not some crazy, complex process that's going to give you a headache. They've actually streamlined the whole thing into a really clear and simple path that anyone can follow. It all kicks off with a discovery call. This is where they really get in there and diagnose the pain points. From that conversation, they design a totally custom plan, so you know the timeline and the cost right from the get-go. No surprises. Then they build it, they test it like crazy, and only when it's perfect is it handed over to you for the final thumbs up. It's a whole journey built on transparency and trust. All right, let's get to the good stuff, the solutions themselves. Because this isn't just about connecting a couple apps together. This is about building a powerful, brand new digital workforce that works side by side with your human team. And here's that platform agnostic idea in action. So if your business pretty much lives in the Microsoft world and you need serious security and governance, they'll tap into the Power Platform. But if your problem is a bit more complex, maybe it needs to connect a dozen different systems or requires some serious AI muscle, they'll use a super flexible tool called N8N. The bottom line is, they pick the right tool for your job every single time. And this is where things get really, really cool. They go way beyond simple automation. They build what they call AI digital employees. These are smart, autonomous agents that are designed to handle complex tasks, working right alongside your team members. Just stop and imagine what this could do for you. Picture an AI agent that takes in all your new sales leads, scores them, and routes them to the right person 24/7. Or how about one that can read a 50-page report and give you a perfect summary in seconds? Or an operations assistant that manages a chaotic inbox and assigns tasks automatically? I mean, come on. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is a real way to completely supercharge your team's output. So after all that, what's the end result? What's the big payoff? Well, it's nothing short of a complete transformation of how your business operates. It's about finally moving from that state of constant friction to one of effortless flow. Their goal couldn't be more clear. Fewer manual steps, fewer errors, faster execution, and clear ROI. It's all about delivering value that you can actually see and measure. We're talking less grunt work for your team, a massive drop in mistakes, and a return on investment that you can, actually take to the bank. And their focus? It's absolute. 100%. All of their energy, all of their expertise is dedicated to one single thing: removing manual work from your plate and making your operational headaches a distant memory. That kind of laser focus is what gets incredible results. So, I guess that just brings us to the final question. After seeing how all that friction can be turned into smooth, efficient flow, and how an AI powered digital workforce can totally empower your team, are you ready to eliminate your first bottleneck?